Australian Air Force's Roulette. The team is conducting a special display specially designed for all of us here at the Singapore Airshow. And the crowd favorites, as always.
The Apache will execute a 180-degree wing over, pitching up 45 degrees and turning back towards show center. In a tactical scenario, this maneuver allows the Apache to reposition quickly and engage its target.
And now, from the left, we have the Apache attack helicopter to demonstrate its agility by whipping a continuous loop in the skies, presenting the lesson. The Apache is a twin-engine multi-mission attack helicopter with a tandem-seated quality. It is designed to fight and survive in day, night, and adverse weather conditions. Flying the Apache is Major Inkiriwa Reed Cosine Matrix. His co-pilot gunner in the front seat is Major Eugene Chua Cosine Striker. Together, they have a combined total of almost 4,000 flying hours. And now let's hear their next maneuver. To your front as the Apache integrates with the F-15SG to light up the skies with a golden salute, dedicating this final maneuver to all Singaporeans for your unwavering support to the RSAF.
Gentlemen, the Royal Australian Air Force Roulettes. Today, the team is performing a 6-ship display designed specifically for the Singapore Airshow. You'll get to see several different formation shapes and maneuvers, each highlighted by the smoke generation pods on each wing of the aircraft.
Who have been training hard for months in the lead up to the Singapore Airshow 2024. The Roulettes were last in Singapore 12 years ago, and everyone is excited to be able to display here today with other amazing aircraft and professional display teams. roulettes are moving into swift formation, followed by leaders benefit. From the right, the roulettes are now in leaders benefit formation, with roulette 1, quarter leader Lockie Hazelby, call sign Yobo, out in front. Instructor and roulette wingman, teaching and displaying on Pilatus PC-9 and now PC-21. Yobo is responsible for the timing, positioning and sequence of events. His flying must be smooth and predictable as the rest of the team all fly solely with reference to roulette 1. There's no autopilot used during their displays, and each team member must use their superior handling skills to remain in position at less than 3 meters apart. As well as the Australian Defence Force, the Republic of Singapore Air Force also operate the Pilatus PC-21. Just recently, 130 Squadron. Roulette 6 have now detached from the formation to conduct the Synchro pair display. You will shortly see the aircraft fly head-to-head at closure speeds of nearly 1,000 km per hour. The high levels of training and trust between the roulettes are what allow these impressive manoeuvres to be conducted safely. To the envelope during this manoeuvre and subjecting their bodies with up to 5 times the force of gravity. For the average person, this would be like lifting 35 kilograms with your hand. Without proper training, these forces can result in blood draining from the head and a loss of consciousness during flight. PC-21 in a solo configuration with the addition of underwing smoke generation pods to enhance the visuals during the display. The aircraft is typically utilising a dual tandem configuration with pilot trainees from all 3 services of the Australian Defence Force occupying the front seat with an instructor pilot in the rear. In some cases, the Pilatus PC-21 is the first and only aircraft the trainee pilot has flown.
Coming in from the right, Roulette 5, flown by Flight Lieutenant Christopher Sikowski, call sign Bogan, and Roulette 6, flown by Flight Lieutenant Benjamin Hepworth, call sign Stunning, to demonstrate the mirror pass. Bogan flew FA-18 Hornet and F-35 Lightning II, instructional tours on the Hawk, while Stubby flew the AP-3C Orion and instructed on CT-4B prior to the introduction of the Pilatus PC-21.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, Roulette 1 is leading formation in to conduct the snake loop. In Australia, we call this the hoop snake, which is Australia's fastest snake.
just how much they love being here in Singapore. From the centre, Roulette 5 and 6. Thank you, Singapore. And is also a specialist in aviation medicine. From the left, the Delta flight path.
Roulettes will now showcase the rollbacks, with Roulette 2 and Roulette 3 first to break away in a roll in a dynamic manoeuvre that requires high levels of coordination. Lieutenant James Dubsky, call sign Skippy, who previously flew F-18 Super Hornet and instructed on both CT-4B and the Super Hornet. Roulette 3 is squad leader Greg Nickel, call sign Ocker, who flew the F-111 and Super Hornet and instructed on Hawk 127 and PC-21. Pulling up into the barrel roll. Ladies and gentlemen, the Roulettes are now positioning to the north in wedge formation for their final manoeuvres. We hope you've enjoyed the show. It's been both amazing and a privilege to display for you today at the 2024 Singapore Airshow. It's inspiring to see so many aviation enthusiasts and experts from all over the world here today enjoying this fantastic exposition. If you see the Roulettes around the venue, please come and say g'day. We are the good-looking blokes in the blue flight suits. We would love to meet you in person. Have an altitude-defying day full of soaring success. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Royal Australian Roulettes.
guys, Martin and Josh Tam from the Roulettes, of course the Royal Australian Air Force acrobatic team, performing for us here at the Singapore Airshow 2024. We certainly hope you enjoyed our air display this morning, our aero display for today. This of course is the second day of our trade exhibition for all trade participants only. Thank you for joining us here today. And we certainly hope that you can enjoy the exhibition at our show area.